What is up, everyone? It's another beautiful day right here in Nashville, Tennessee, and contrary to popular belief, it's actually a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, it's like 70 degrees. Could not think of a more perfect day to get out there and paint, do some yard work, and just do all the Tim the Toolman Taylor stuff and just home improvement the shit out of this place. Anyway, just finished working out, gonna toss a shirt on, and then head to Home Depot to pick up some paint for the garage. So here we go. So currently in Home Depot, and what's happening now is because of all this COVID shit, they're only allowing 100 people in the store. I came here yesterday. I know this is the same shirt, whatever. I came here yesterday and there was a line out the door. So needless to say, came back today. The weather's great. I'm gonna be mowing, weed eating, just get that nice fresh cut grass smell, just wafting aroma through the air. And then I'm gonna be painting the first wall of the gym. So pretty stoked. Outside of that, I'm going to be calling Tractor Supply for the flooring. Not 100% sure it'll fit in the car, so gonna give that a try, and maybe. I measured, it's a close call, so we'll see. Got the paint. It's only going to take about a gallon to fill this wall here. I believe this section is about a 15 by 8. Gallon should cover anywhere from 300 to 400 square feet, depending on how many coats you put on. So we're going to be painting from about this window here all the way over this way. This is where the bulk of the flooring is going to go. And I'm gonna put some signage up right here from this past year's open that I snagged when it was in Austin, which was pretty cool, of Rich Froning and Scott Panchek. So yeah, gotta remove a couple of these things from the wall here. There's no power into this shed, so we're gonna have to kind of do a workaround with that via an extension cord dug underneath, or laid underneath the ground, and then dropped into the house, basically. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a task, but yeah, so removing all this stuff, removing this stuff, and then we're just gonna tape off this line here, this line, and then get to painting. So here we go. Before you guys say something, yes, I was in fact sweeping this wall. So I think what I'm gonna do instead of taping and having a nice straight line here, I think what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna take some of these brick lines right here and just have it just kind of through and make it look, just something a little bit different. That way it's not just like oh, this wall's nice and painted and beautiful, and then boop, we're done. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that, and I mean, that being said, the wall's prepped, so let's paint.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us, no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You are.
Alrighty, so base coat, it looks like shit, but it's down, and this is what we're looking at here. Obviously I have to go through and like patch all of these. I'm gonna hand paint this situation to make it look a little more, I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, so this is what we're looking at so far. I'm pretty excited. It's crazy, like, it's crazy what a coat of paint can do to a space. So, color's important. I got some more surprises for you guys. There's gonna be a big mural right here. Not gonna tell you what it is yet. Guess, by all means, if you guess what it is, I'll give away something. I don't know what I'll give away, a print or something like that, but yeah, if you can guess what this mural is going to be in the comments below, make sure you're subscribed as well. That way I can contact you or something like that whenever you win, if you win. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff. So I'm going to touch this up. I will spare you those minor details because this is probably gonna take a while. So we're gonna skip forward probably to tomorrow or the next day or something like that, when I have to go pick up the floors, because they won't fit in my car, unfortunately. So I'm gonna finish this painting, I'm gonna finish mowing, and then we're just gonna throw in one of those SpongeBob things, and I will see you guys in a couple days.
One eternity later.
What's up, everyone? Another beautiful day right here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's actually just the next day. I think I'm probably gonna try and go to Tractor Supply and grab the floors today. The paint on the wall looks extraordinary, by the way. I'll be showing you that here in a bit. But yeah, no, I think I might try and go get the floors today. Maybe it'll fit in my car, maybe it won't. They're 4x6 pieces and I need 6 of them to start with. So we're gonna see how this goes. I also, great news, got the confirmation that my equipment has shipped. So that's exciting. I still need a few more pieces to complete, to complete the gym once everything gets here. Misplaced a speed rope. I'll get like an ab mat. I'll probably end up building a box like for jumping and stuff like that at some point. And a couple big pieces are gonna be like a rower and an assault bike. Those will come much, much later on once there's some money coming in. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff. Again, I'm gonna do the best that I can. I bought everything off of Fringe Sports, or from Fringe Sports. I have a really good friend, Lauren, who works there. Be sure to hit her up or ask for her. She'll hook it up as much as she can with, you know, 10-15% off or a homie discount or something like that, as long as you guys let her know that I am the one who directed you. No, I'm not getting a kickback from that, but I always just try and pay it forward. She gave me a pretty good deal on all this stuff, and I want to extend that to you guys. If not, I'm going to link all the other things in my Amazon store in the link in the description. So just yeah, be sure to check that out if you guys are interested to see like how much any of this costs. I'll be giving you a rundown as we progress forward with this build out and try and get a total cost at the very end and see kind of you know, how I was able to build a budget gym at home. Alrighty, so went to Tractor Supply. I mean, with everything that's kind of going on, I don't really want to bring. Something is happening. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, went to Tractor Supply, and 2 days ago they had as many 4x6 mats that I needed. Went there today, completely sold out. They sold the last one yesterday. However, they had some 3x4 mats. So did a little bit of math, probably wrong, but instead of picking up 5 of the other mats, I got 9. Instead of getting 6 of the other mats, I got 9 of these. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring them in there and kind of rework them around, make it like a big puzzle, and see what it looks like. Got some mats. There's 9 of these. They're 3x4. I believe they were $26.99 a piece. I will link them in the description below. And then this beautifully painted wall, which very soon will be painted by you. This big mace, everyone. It appears I have severely underestimated the size of this space. Needless to say, I bought 9 of these mats. At a 4x3, we're looking at, you know, close to 100 square feet or so. Actually, maybe a little bit more than that. But I'm probably gonna have to buy another 6 to lay out this way, and potentially a couple more that are gonna go in this general area as well, based on where the pull-up bars and stuff go. But as of now, this is what we're looking at. I mean, on camera, it does not look bad. So, getting excited. Again, like I said earlier in the video, gear shipped out today. I'm hoping it's here mid next week. That way I can start kind of assembling things, putting them kind of wherever I want it in terms of just a good flow, good like feng shui of the area. But yeah, I'm getting pretty excited.
24 hours later.
What is up, everyone? It's another beautiful day right here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm here with my buddy Jared, who's going to be helping me to construct an apparatus for pull-ups, as well as just taking his expert opinion in terms of contracting and stuff to just kind of help me make this a little bit more structurally sound. So the floor is down, well, some of it. Floor's down. Gonna go and get some more. That way we're gonna be covering, I think, probably about this area right here, and then another 4 feet wide on that area there. And then again today we're taking a look at how we can create some sort of pull-up rig right here, and that way the ceiling is opened up to where I can do like muscle ups and stuff when I'm not completely overweight. So there's that. How's it looking?
Dirty.
Well,
a lot of vines up in here too.
Yeah. That's character. Oh my god.
Alright, well at least you can have some good content after the fall.
Say if you fall. Let's avoid that. Oh my god, please don't walk across that. I sound like a fucking mom right now.
So I'm guessing that front has a door on it. Now these right here could be replaced with 2x instead of, these are 1x6s. This is like fencing and deck boards.
Yeah.
No bueno. Couple pieces of galvanized piping. Other than that, man, I think if you want to put that post in right there, we can definitely do that. But other than that, it should.
We'll see how it is without it, but definitely just sister board.
Yeah.
That. I mean, structurally, it doesn't look too bad in here, but then again, getting about 400 to 500 pounds of torque, I guess, off of doing some pull-ups and kipping and stuff, as well as some muscle-ups. I think that'll really kind of be a better test to see if this will hold. But yeah, so we have a little bit to do now. So let's go grab some mats. Let's increase the square footage of this flooring a bit. We're going to be trimming the mats to go around these poles here, and let's get to work. So we went to Home Depot, and huge line, but things are underway here. We found some scrap wood that we're going to use for a sister board. Jared's getting on it. You're so strong. So we got some more flooring. Pretty pumped. These are the massive 4x6 mats from Tractor Supply. These, like I said earlier, these are like $45.99 or $46.99, and then we got 3 more of the 3x4s, which are going to go up here. 4x6s there, so we're going to probably have about 150 square feet of matting. Shouldn't need too much. It's basically just going to be me working out in here, outside of like some other people that might want to come in and lift with me from time to time, or if I decide to start taking clients out here, which is going to be pretty rad. Yeah, so here, yeah, let's get to work. Oh, look at him. Oh, I thought you were going to give me a set of 10 real quick.
Oh, fuck no. I gave you 5.
Okay, so now we have the sister boards put up to help secure the pull-up bar, which is inch in diameter galvanized steel pipe. Got the black one, and we're going to mount it from this. Let's up this. We're going to mount it from right here to this beam here, and that should be about perfect height for me to do some pull-ups. Look at this mess. My goodness. Currently at Home Depot. Had to switch out some things because measured wrong. Not really, but I thought I had inch round pipe at the house and it was ½ inch or 3/4 or something like that. So, and then we also had to get some pipe cut and threaded, and then headed back to the house to assemble the both pull-up apparatuses, something. Like I said, at Home Depot, had a bit of an issue with some of the, I believe they're called hooves. I have no idea what they're called. They're little plates that we're trying to thread some of these pipes into. That way we can hang not only the pull-up bar, but hang a couple of the bars in the rafters on like the truss. That way I can drop the rings from that. So we got everything good, kind of cleaning up a little bit, and then I think we got everything where it needs to be at. We're gonna hang those and put it to the test tonight with a little back workout. So let's see what we got. We're losing daylight, but we're still crushing it out here. That's the fun part here, pointing at me.
Oh, fuck, I don't make enough money to fucking touch that thing. That thing's worth more than my fucking rental.
It's all right.
All right, which one's recorded?
It's already recording.
Oh.
All right, moment of truth here. Here, can we move it? A little bit. Oh, let's go.
Is it moving?
No, it's not moving.
Fuck yeah.
Needless to say, success.
1 hour later.
So this is the current scene. We're attempting to hang the rings up there. Wait, oh, that's why. Up there on those poles. Come a bit short on some of it. So we're trying to adapt the way that we can. This is fun, we're having fun. Isn't that right, bud?
Total fun.
So what ended up happening is we measured the width of these two boards when actually we were mounting the rings on these two boards, and the sizes are very much off. So now we're dealing with a bit of a gap right there. And just like that, back in business. All right, so the rings are up. I can't muscle up because I'm been enjoying this time off, but moment of truth right now. Good to go? Well, needless to say, things are starting to come together. This banner, obviously, from the Open 20.1 that was in Austin. I snagged this from there, so my motivation is Scott Pinchek and Rich Froning, who lives in Cooksville. Be kind of sick if he came here to work out, so we're gonna work on that. Also, super find, as we were driving, this was out by one of the dumpsters in this industrial area. So yeah, what's cool about this, free. And then this actually lifts up. I'm gonna put a couple of hinges on it, and I can store all sorts of things in there that aren't bodies.
It puts the lotion on. You have no idea what kind of hell I can bring you!
All of that, man, what a day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of the series, more or less. It's just putting weights in here, cleaning, touching everything up. I'm gonna paint this bench back here. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Outside of this, I'm gonna be working on some more tutorials for you guys, but I'm really excited to get back into the CrossFit and just cross-training game, as well as Olympic lifting, and just get back to being in the best shape of my life, because when I was CrossFitting full-time, that's when I felt like I was at my best. So I'm really excited to get back to that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment below anything that you want to see in the future. Thumbs up if you love the video, thumbs down if you didn't. I'm probably not going to pay much attention to this. I am JT Wise Guy. It's another beautiful day right here in Nashville, Tennessee. Stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. Also, huge shout out to this guy. We're going to go this way. Huge shout out to this guy for helping me with his contracting experience as well as his tools. And yeah, keep me company for the day while we do this. Maybe he'll start working out.
Nah, doubt it. Doubt it.